This is the most professional wrestler, Brian Myers, and you're watching the Hulk Hogan of Hulk Hogan Figure Collecting, Lymphoma Mania 1980. Brother.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very small box from eBay. It is going to be the world's quickest unboxing video. I saw this item, never seen it before, and it was a good price, so I figured I'd grab it, and I wanted to open it and share it with you guys. So let's get into it. Hope you guys have been enjoying the videos as much as I've been enjoying putting them out. As you can see, it is a very small Hogan item, and it is taped to the gills. Here we go. It is a wind-up Hulk Hogan figure. Let's see if he actually works. There he goes. He's a walking. He's a strutting. I've never seen this before. Don't know who made it. Let's see if we could read that together. Alexander Global, Washington. Made in China. It's got the weight belt. Got the bandana. This is like a 2002 Hulk Hogan. Let's try this one more time. Let's see how fast the Hulkster can walk. Alright, that's basically it. It's just a wind-up Hulk Hogan figure. Figure is pretty cool, and I've never seen it before. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing video. Peace.